Uh, Hello, dicks and pricks. Today, we're gonna be watching Chainsaw Man episode 4. I really like this show, but I'm gonna record my reaction for a very special moment I've been waiting for a very long time. Alright guys, it's happening. Alright boys, it's happening. Powers as big as bazonkas. Her mommy milker. Her beautiful jugs. God damn. Come on, my boy. You've got this. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's happening, boys. It's happening. Come on. Touch those delectable Dizonka Wonkas. Come on. Come on. Those big bahunkas. Come on. You've got this. Don't be a pussy. Don't be a pussy. Titties. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.